Welcome to Putt Nuts. What we're doing here right now, I'm making 2 or 3 videos about different products that my mother-in-law bought for me while I'm staying here in Colorado waiting for our house in Arkansas to close. Our house on 80 acres. If you'd like to see more of that, check out my other channel, Spring Holler Farms. Now let's get into it. Okay, let's put some in the pan. See how they cook up. It says 4 inches, so that's what I'm aiming for. Might not have preheated as much as I thought. Welcome back. And what we're going to try to do today is we're going to review several different things. I'm probably going to make more than one video today on the many things that my mother-in-law bought for me because I'm on keto. And we're going to talk about some of the mistakes she made. We're not going to tell her. But we're going to see some of the things that you want to avoid when you're buying keto snacks and keto foods. And we're going to taste test a few of them. We're going to talk about what's in them and what shouldn't be. So let's get started with the pancakes. Birch Bender pancakes. These right here. I haven't tasted them yet, but we're just about to. But it says they have 10 grams of total carbs, 5 grams of fiber, 3 total sugars, and no added sugars, so that's good. Almond flour, eggs, tigamet flour, I hope I pronounced that right, organic coconut flour, cassava starch, buttermilk leavening, which is monocalcium phosphate and sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, salt, and then spice. Not sure what spice means. I'm in the middle of cooking one right now, and it's kind of like frying cornbread so far. We're going to see how it tastes, and we're going to talk about it, because you get 2 pancakes, 2 4-inch pancakes as a serving, and it says 5 grams of net carbs. And I don't know, maybe you eat like a bird, but not me. 5 grams of carbs for 2 little pancakes, that's kind of a snack. And that's a quarter of your keto allowance, so it's kind of high. But that's up to you. Let's take a taste. Okay, time for the taste test. Not bad. Kind of close to a regular pancake, but not exactly. Definitely in texture, it's definitely much more like fried cornbread. Doesn't hold together real well. But the flavor is pretty good. But still, 5 carbs for 2 4-inch pancakes, which by the way, this was closer to a 5.5, 6-inch pancake. That's an awful high carb count. Other than that, not bad. Hi, I'm Putt Nut, and if you enjoyed that, please check this out. More low-carb cooking and reviews for you to enjoy. And if you like the channel, click right here to subscribe. And thank you very much.